Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're talking about the 2024 AMC 10A problem number 1. Please pause the video right now if you'd like to try this question yourself, and resume the video when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining two types of solutions. Let's get started with solution 1. Let's write 9,901 in a special form. I'll call it 100 squared minus 100 plus 1 times 100 plus 1. If you set a to 100, this will remind you of a squared minus a plus 1 times a plus 1, which is a cubed plus 1. Let's do a similar thing for the second expression. That will be a minus 1 times a squared plus a plus 1. And that is a cubed minus 1. So let's do some subtraction. Crossing out the a cubed terms, and you get 2. So that is solution 1. So during the contest, if you do find a slick solution to a question, especially if it's in the first 5 to 7 questions, definitely go for it. If you don't, that's perfectly okay. Bashing is still a valid solution, but it'll take you a little bit of time to do bashing. But if you're good at other questions, that's totally fine. I would say just practice a lot of these computation questions so you can find these tricks very quickly, because they'll oftentimes be hidden within a problem. Okay, let's get into solution 2. So solution 2 uses a technique called modular arithmetic. And if you'd like to learn more about this topic, definitely check out AOP's Introduction to Number Theory. It's written by Matthew Crawford. It's a great way to learn a bunch of number theory topics that will be covered in the AMC10, AMC12, AMC8, and other contests such as math counts. And it's so useful in preparing for harder number theory questions. AOPS also has an Introduction to Number Theory class, if that's something you might be interested in. But definitely check it out if you want to learn about modular arithmetic or other very interesting topics in number theory. Okay, so back to the solution. Let's say you are to evaluate the first expression in terms of 10. So in mod 10, let's take the units digit, and that multiplies to 1, minus the units digit over here, that multiplies to 9, that's negative 8, but we can write this in terms of mod 10. So negative 8 is congruent to 2 mod 10. That means that in this expression, the units digit will be 2. The only choices that validate this will be choice A and choice D. So now let's evaluate based on mod 101. The first expression already has 101, so we're safe there. That's just 0. The second expression, well, this one's negative 2. That's a simpler way to write it. Rather than writing 99, you can just write negative 2 and subtract from the big hole. And this one is just going to be 1, because 10,100 is a multiple of 101. So this would just be 2. And between choice A and D, choice A is the only one that satisfies 2 mod 101. So that's why choice A is the correct answer. The answer to problem 1 of this year's contest is A2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and like this video. Um, if you want to request a problem or a topic for me to cover in one of my future videos, make sure to comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.